The EZPackager, a new feature with EZTouch Enhanced, offers OEMs and system integrators an extremely easy way to distribute project and/or firmware updates to their customers. Once your project is ready for distribution, follow these easy steps. Select Package Project for easy transfer from the File menu. Here we have two operation types: create a new pack file or open an existing pack file. A pack file is the zipped or self-contained file which we will send to our end customer. For this demonstration, we are going to create a new pack file and then browse to where we will save our pack file. This is the main dialog box for the EZPackager. Here we will see the file name and where it is stored, the driver path, the directory where your drivers are located, and the items within your pack file. Within each pack file, you can have one or more projects, one or more versions of firmware, or both. The project we are sending requires new firmware, so we will add this to our pack file now. Select the item and then click Add Edit Item. We will check the Include Firmware box and then browse to select the firmware file. Let's click Apply to confirm the firmware has been added and click Close. Now that we have our project and firmware in place, let's click Pack to package our file. Once we see the confirmation message, we can go to the directory where we saved our pack file and look at it. I have brought up the directory with our pack file. This is the file which we will send to our customer as a simple self-contained zip file. Please note that if your customer does not have WinZip, they can download it at www.winzip.com. The following steps would be performed by the end user or person installing the update. Once your customer opens the package or pack file, they will see the executable file EZPanelUpdater.exe. Double-click to begin extracting files. The files will be extracted to the same directory that the original zip file resides in, unless changed here. Then click Next to begin extracting. We will quickly go up one directory just to show the files were extracted next to the original zip or pack file. Once we have extracted the files, we can now launch the EZPanelUpdater executable file. The steps for updating the project are now as easy as 1, 2, 3. Select the COM port in which the panel is connected. Select the item which will update the project and/or firmware in the panel, and click the Update button. You may be prompted to confirm that you are replacing the panel's firmware. If this happens, click OK to complete the update.